We're gonna tear that peach up.
You know it don't record voice. You should just.
It does record voice. It just doesn't play back the voice.
Oh no.
Serena. Hey, yum 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 yum. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Yummy, yummy.
She's offering me the peach.
I don't think he wants your slobbery peach. See if we can see how dirty she made herself. She squeezed all the juice out the peach. And now she needs a big bath. Do you know what time it is?
Baby. Yeah, baby. Look at Serena.
Now we got to give her a bath. You got to mop the floor.
I know. It's great, isn't it? Say yummy, yummy, yummy.
That's the life of a baby. Baby's supposed to get messy. Can't keep them clean forever. Oh, Serena. Oh, the floor.
Hey, give mommy that. Give mommy this. Thank you. Say yum. Say good. Say good.
So cool if you can avoid this.
I just saying cool or good. Say it's so yummy. Good, good, good. Say good. That's what G says.
Grandma.
She goes goo goo.
Grandma, come here. Come here, look at Serena. See her get all messy?
No, not this messy.
You didn't see her get this messy before.
Mama, we trying to take video here. Hello. Serena, say good. Hey, what's that? Say good. Okay, don't. Serena, say good. Look at the mouth.
Look at all that juice.
Serena, covered in peach juice. No, let's leave these stringies alone, okay? We don't want to eat those. Are you done with the peach? Can mommy have some?
I know who does want to eat the strings.
I don't want her to choke on the strings.
Her feet's touching the peach and she's putting it back in her mouth.
So, baby's feet are clean. Baby's feet are clean.
Look, the peach at the floor, just like right now. Well, it's in her legs.
Say, my mommy and my grandmommy clean this floor almost every day. I think you're done. Ew! Oh, okay. See me. Done. Say thank you. Say bye-bye. Say thank you. Thank you. Yay! Thank you.
Serena, say thank you.
She just did.
Adrian, say you're welcome.
Okay. How old do you think she is?